Karibu katika channel ya Feaboy TZ. Ni channel ambayo najifunza mbinu mbalimbali zitakazo kusaidia wewe kuweza kutengeneza pesa kupitia njia ya mtandao. Leo nataka nikakuonyeshe website hii inayoitwa Idle Empire. Idle Empire ni website ambayo ni free mining website na ni website ya mining za cryptocurrency, lakini pia kuna paid surveys, kuna kuplay game, kuna kuwatch videos na pia unaweza ukaredeem free rewards. Okay, hatua ya kwanza nataka nikakuonyeshe namna ya kuweza kutengeneza free account, lakini kabla ya hapo nitakuonyesha jinsi gani ambavyo site hii inafanya kazi. Na hatua ya kwanza, unatakiwa kwanza kuregister an account on Idle Empire. Then the next step, you can start earning point. Once you registered your account, you can start earning point. Simply answer paid surveys, play games, watch videos or test the software. Lakini pia hatua nyingine ya tatu ni kuredeem Tron. After collecting enough point, it's time to redeem your Tron. We will make sure to deliver your reward within 24 hours. Okay? Then nitakuonyesha sasa namna ya kuweza kusign up au kutengeneza free account katika website hii ya Idle Empire. Kipi kinahitajika ukifanya? Create new account or sign up with your email address. Kwa unaweza uka sign up kwa kutumia Google, kwa kutumia Twitter, Facebook au PayPal. Lakini pia vile vile unaweza ukatumia tu email yako. Hapa utajaza jina lako hapa kwenye name. Write your name. Then hapa kwenye email address weka email address yako. Hapa tengeneza password. Then utaconfirm password zako. Baada ya hapo click I'm not a robot. After that click create account. I will show you how to do this. Kwa utajaza jina lako, utaingiza email yako, after that create password, then confirm password, click I'm not a robot, create your account. Okay, kama jinsi unavyoona hapa, the password confirmation does not match, kwa hiyo tumekosea password. Let's do it best 2023 and then confirm password. Hakikisha password zinafanana. Okay, don't make a mistake. Then confirm, create account. Kama jinsi unavyoona sasa hapo, baada ya kuweza kutengeneza account, utaona hapa kuna answer daily survey, kuna offer walls, kuna offer, kuna videos, watch unlimited videos, lakini kuna referral pia, get your referral link and invite friends, lakini pia kuna promotion, no Idle Empire special promotion, do Idle Empire promo, special promotion. Kuna promotion pia ambazo unaweza ukazifanya. Okay, promotion basic, follow us, daily task, invite friends, create content. Unaweza uka create content, create a YouTube video about Idle Empire. You can earn this point 5 by creating a YouTube videos about us. The video has to show something useful, example describing how our service work, completing surveys, withdrawing point or something else. The video description has to be include your referral link so you can earn more point. The video duration must be at least 30 seconds. You can only create one video. Send us the link of your YouTube video, through our support system by selecting contact promotion. Okay, create a forum post about Idle. Then kwa unaweza ukafanya promotion kama hii. Na baada ya kufanya hivyo basi pia kuna daily task zingine mbalimbali ambazo unaweza ukaziperform. Okay, Kwa hiyo hapa sasa referral ni sehemu hii, uta click sehemu hii ili uweze kupata link yako, landing page, referral link, the target specific audience, and free Amazon gift card and free Amazon gift cards by answering paid surveys, play games and this one. Kwa hiyo utaikopi link yako namna hii, copy your link. Okay, after you copy your link, go and share with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, anywhere you can use it. Then I'll show you another, this one, watch videos, how to do this, how to watch videos. How does it work? Create an account on Hideout TV and start watching the videos from below. You can earn 9 Hideout points for every 3 advertisement, which is 50 coin. Okay, on Idle Empire, redeem your point from this one to Idle Empire. Your reward will show up in the offer section of user panel. Okay, then I'll show you this one, how to do this offers, complete curated offers, searching the newest offers just for you. Kwa hiyo offers ni kama jinsi unavyoona categories hapa. Kuna download, free, games, mobile app, one click, quizzes, regular shopping, sign up, surveys daily, trial videos, providers, AdGate reward, AdGem, AdSender media, CPX research, Kiwi wall, Lotably, Ofatoro, opinion capital, personality, point click track, Polfish, Seiso reward, speak up, one ads, your surveys, pagination, pages, scrolling, giant trash, mobile app, AdGate reward, free, and point 1000. Kwa mfano complete hapa, run through the obstacles, cause and bring the adventures giant. Hii ni game, uta earn point 1000, Ayoba point 500. These are the surveys, pia you can earn this point, you can earn the point, so you can choose your offer which you want to complete so that you can get the reward. Okay, that is offer. Then ukija hapa kwenye offer all, pia kuna point hapa, AdGate reward top, AdGem top, AdSender media top, Ofatoro. Kwa hiyo kama jinsi unavyoona hizi earn point, hii ni point ngapi? Hizi game pia unaweza ukafanya hizi na ukazidi kupata point mbalimbali. Okay, then after you can come here, daily surveys. Surveyor screener Tanzania, you can answer this question in order to get your surveys. Okay, tips for answering surveys: answer question honestly and consistent. It's normal to get rejected. You surveys start earning 12 minutes. Kwa kama jinsi unavyoona average point ngapi, point zinaonekana hapa, point 4800, dakika 10 minutes, start earning. You click here if you want to start the survey. Okay, kwa hivyo ni jinsi ambavyo unaweza ukafanya task hizi. Okay, lakini sehemu hii ni sehemu ya ku-earn, ambapo ndipo utaweza kuona hizo offers zote pamoja na survey. Lakini kuna hii profilers, lakini kuna withdraw. I'll show you this withdraw. Sasa withdraw point, sort by popularity, category, skin, games point. So you can select, also you can select the currency you want to get paid in. Regions, you can select your region, then you can submit search. Okay, but also there is Bitcoin on Coinbase, Bitcoin from coin 2000, Litecoin kuanzia coin 2000 pia, Paia balance point 1000, Steam gift card point 1022, Ethereum on Coinbase point 2000, Amazon gift card point 1042, Stellar on Coinbase point 2000, Skin Bar on gift card, Smart FG Market gift card. Okay, hizi ni njia za malipo ambazo unaweza ukalipwa hizo coin zako ulizoweza kuzicollect. Perfect Money balance point 1000, Random Steam Games, PlayStation Store gift card, Play Store gift card, Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase. Okay, hizi zote ni njia za malipo. Basi asante kwa kunisikiliza, lakini link ipo kwenye description ya video hii kama ukitaka kuitumia. Asante na karibu tena.